This is a Brooklyn-bound 2 train. The next stop is
Wall Street.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.
Welcome back. It's Not Your Advisor with NYU Grad on Monday, August 4th. This is, I can't believe it, podcast number 499. Hope you all had a great weekend. Let's jump right into today's session. Very bullish day. It's as if Friday never happened. Reversed all of Friday's action on average volume. It wasn't stellar, but it wasn't below average either. So there's a feather in the cap there. Volume didn't suck. So we had the Dow up 585 points or 1.3%. The NASDAQ was up 1.9%, 403 points. And the S&P was up almost 100 points or 1.4%. Surprisingly, Amazon was down today, 1.4%. The rest were positive on the Mag 7, Microsoft up 2.1, Nvidia 3.6, Apple 0.5%, Alphabet 3, Meta 3.5%, and Tesla 2.1. Every sector was positive today. Communication services up 2.6, tech was up 2 along with basic materials, utilities was up 1.6, healthcare 1.3, industrials 1, real estate 0.84, financials 0.81, consumer defensive 0.5%, and energy up 0.1%. So very bullish session, as I noted. If you look at the big picture in simple terms, I posted a chart of the SPY from 2009. You can clearly see that the SPY has lived in the upper channel region until of late, where we've now lived in the bottom part of this channel. And if you zoom in, the second chart, you'll see we're literally sitting at the halfway point of this channel. We're either going to go all the way up to 800, or we're going to continue to flirt with this line and potentially backtest the bottom of this channel. Another bit of key information here is the 20-day exponential moving average. On Friday, with all of the news with tariffs, etc., we gapped to lower and we broke below that 20-day EMA. You can see that moving average has held support since April. Today, we were able to get back above it. We'll see what happens later this week. The question really remains is, was Friday the lie or was today the lie? I think we'll find out with a few more sessions on the belt this week. Looking at profitable companies making new highs on the session, there were 16, including names like Palantir, eBay, O'Reilly Automotive, and DoorDash. Keep in mind that Palantir reports after hours. I think they already did, and they're up again 4.9% after hours. They beat, so they were up 4% on the cash session, and they're up 4.9% after hours. This, by the way, is one that a lot of us in this Substack got in the mid-20s. That's correct, 20s. And it's now trading at above 168. So looking at a few of the positive and negative on the session for SPY, as well as the NASDAQ, you had to the upside, IDEX Labs 27%, Pacific Gas and Electric 6.5%, Williams-Sonoma 6.2%, Ingersoll Rand 5.3%, Monolithic Power 4.9%, Franklin Resources 4.8%, Tapestry 4.6%, Constellation Energy 4.5%, Newmont Mining 4.3%. By the way, a lot of the gold miners did really well today. In the NASDAQ 100, trying to dedupe MicroStrategy's up 5.7%, Shopify 5%, Constellation Energy again 4.5%. To the downside, on semiconductor down 15.6%, Dell Basel down 4.3%, Paramount 3.8%, Dexcom 3.2%, and Berkshire 3.1%. In the NASDAQ, you had on semiconductor again, Dexcom again, and Adobe Systems down 2.4%. I'm going to switch gears here and cover macro, the Mag 7, as well as some of the best.
That's my train.
Stand clear of the closing doors, please.